For basic solo ideas, Parisian Walkways is number 6, and it's by Gary Moore. Now, first of all, what I just demonstrated, I've used some slides, I've used some string bends, but before we get to that, I want to make sure you've got a copy of the PDF, because what I'm doing for starters is teaching you how to play it without the string bends and without the slides. And once you've got that, I want to encourage you to go and find where you would like to place the slides, but I'm going to demonstrate it. Okay, first of all, I'm assuming your PDF is in front of you. If you need a copy, just WhatsApp me or inbox me. I'll happily send it to you. And it's going to start at number 14, quite high up, and it's going to go something like this. Notice a little bit of vibrato towards the end there. But the basic notes. Now, when Gary Moore plays live, he doesn't always do the phrasing exactly the same every time round. So instead of playing it extremely safe without string bends right inside the scale itself, how about trying this? These notes here, that note there as well as that note, can be found here and here. So what I want you to realize that you're learning now is that what's unique to guitar is duplicate notes. So this 12 on the first string, same as 17 on the second string. And you can find it all over the place. 21 on the third string. And that's what's unique about guitar. So instead of doing this, I can now go, and what I did there is I first did a hammer on, and then I slid up to the 17 with some vibrato. It sounds different. Sounds much more sort of colorful, more creative than, not that that sounded bad, but we've got options. That's what I'm trying to encourage. I'm trying to sort of push you towards creating your own interpretation of what's happening here. So we don't always want to learn note for note. Sometimes we do because we learn new techniques, and sometimes we want to create our own version, our own interpretation, which is for this exercise what our goal is. So the opening 3 notes is now like that. Now for the next note, instead of going, I'm going to go there and I'm going to jump back for the second note. So I'm going to go. So instead of playing the 15 twice on the first, I go to 20 on the second, which is the same note, and then after I play it just once, I jump down to 18. So from the 20 to the 18, and I bend it to sound like that note. So now I've got, and then I can unbend it, which is called a release. It's up there to get back to my original note. So here we go, 3 and 4. Now for those that might know, Parisian Walkways, this is the second solo we're studying, not the first solo, because everybody knows the first solo, or if you don't, let me know and I'll happily send you the PDF. But I wanted to do this one to demonstrate the different note values, etc., etc. When I say note values, the fact that we've got duplicate notes, that's what I'm trying to say. Second phrase is going to go. That's as per the tab that I sent you on the PDF. Now you can use the same concept and go hammer and slide, or you can go, or you can bend it. There is so many technical or technique applications to play it differently. I want you to find your way of doing it. And again, on the duplicate note aspect, that 13 can be done here. And that would be basically 18 going to 17 on the second string. And then I can do a little bend. And a little double bend could replace that sound again. Okay, so there's so many different ways you can do this, and I'm hoping with a bit of practice you can learn the basic phrase and then put your own interpretation to this. This is largely in the key of A minor C major. There is a major blues scale note over there, the C sharp. We're not going to go too much into the theory of it right now. And if you need a copy of the complete solo, let me know and I'll happily send you the PDF. But I hope you've got some nice ideas out of this on the string bends, the vibrato, and more importantly that you've learned that certain notes are duplicated. That's the important part of the lesson. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good week.